Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amin Bazib Abdul Razak. Number matric is 060545. So today I will be presenting a SWOT, which is stand for Strength, Weakness, Opportunity and Threat for Zoom company. Okay, next. So this is the table of content of our slide, which is contain of summary of the company, explanation of the project SPM, factors and successful of Zoom project, success factor for success, what lesson can be taken, and suggestion and comment. Okay, so first I will be presenting for summary of the Zoom company. So first, Zoom was established in 2011. The company's headquarters are in San Jose, California. Zoom has offices in Europe, Asia, and Australia as well. And Zoom meeting, which is styled as Zoom, is a video telephony software package developed by Zoom Video Communication. There was a significant surge in the use of Zoom for distant employment, distant education, and online social contacts during the COVID-19 pandemic. Zoom became the fifth most downloaded smartphone app in the world in 2020 with 477.3 million downloads. And Zoom is divided into four tiers, which is basic, pro, business, and enterprise. Zoom also works on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux. Zoom has been used by banks, schools, universities, and government agencies all over the world since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, by the UK Parliament, by healthcare professionals for telemedicine.
So I'm going to do an explanation of the Zoom project. So the Zoom project will develop a new communication system as a project. Then they will introducing the new system ideas and the functionality and concepts to the project member. And then they will start the development and the implementation of the system under the Zoom company name. Then the project goals. The project goals is to develop a system based on the current demand for the market. For example, in the COVID situation, the online class in school become more, so the demand for the online meeting apps are increased. Then the second goal is to optimizing the resources, and then the third one is to increase the profits for the company. Then the task is to complete the system, monitoring the human resources such as so the project manager will direct the employees to the staff to do the work in time. Then the brainstorming the problems that may occur to the project. So for example, the problems that maybe will occur like the voice reception is bad, or the video quality is very poor, or something like that. And then the last task is to try to control the expense of the project. Then the staff who will involve in the project will be the project manager, the programmer, graphic designer, and the digital marketing specialist. So the project manager will hand the project, lifespan and try to arrange it. Then the programmer will try to write the coding for the system and then the graphic designer will help the programmer to design the interface, and then the digital marketing specialist he will cooperate with the graphic designer to build to make to run the online marketing. Then for the cost to develop a new product is around $45,000 to $70,000. And then the cost for the marketing is around $10,000 to $250,000.
Next is a factor of Zoom success. So here we have the three lists of factors that make Zoom is a successful company. First one is employees are engaged. Zoom was determined to make sure their employees are happy with a good and positive environment in order to make the employees capable to make their customer happy. Uh, they have a goal to create an image for this company as the grand dream to be part of for employees and make employees glad to work at Zoom. The second one is motivation. Zoom always motivate despite the fact that their CEO, Eric Yuan, was once failed to create something that would make the customer happy and had to solve customer problems. Uh, However, the failure inspired him to launch a competitor to answer those consumers' problems. That motivation, thankfully, blinded him to the difficulties of trying to disrupt huge competitors with all of their resources. The third one is scaling and use cases. There were several high-profile security risks that Zoom acknowledges never occur to leaders. Uh, Business customers would never purposely share incorrect content or, for that matter, post the link to their meeting on social media. On April 1, the team agreed to spend the next 90 days bolstering security and deferring any new feature development. The strategy worked. Each vertical market now has a head such as businesses, consumers, legal system, schools, and healthcare, which is he emphasized several times. As they continue to improve their experience, they will be able to better understand use cases and incorporate input into the development roadmap. Okay, that's all for success fact.
So the Zoom success factor that involved to success is the communication. The constant effective communications with the employee helps the project to go smooth. So the so Ariane, the founder of Zoom, said that to keep the employees engaged and motivated is to make the employees feel happy and proud to work at Zoom. Then the user involvement. For example, Zoom has 50 participants involved to understand the functionality and the usability of the Zoom in the early stage. So this involvement helps the Zoom to understand what criteria is necessary in terms of selecting the correct user. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shulukh bin Akudin, ticket number 051531 from ISMK PP. Today I will be presenting about lessons that can be learned from Zoom. The first lesson that can be learned from Zoom is simplicity. Zoom is dedicated into making the app simple and easy to use, enabling the app to be used in any situation. For example, the app can be used for class or meeting. It also can be used by many people, such as families and teachers and students. Also can be used for company meetings. The second one is security. Zoom put a lot of emphasis on its security, removing the doubts of users so the app can be used without concern. Zoom is a very secure app, and very rarely there is a security breach happening. The last one is service. Zoom prioritizes customer service, in which customers' need is always put on top of the priority list. Zoom always listens to the demands of its customer, but we listen to the demand of its customer. Next one is suggestion and comments on the project. This project can evoke people's mind about project management and critical thinking in general. Secondly is using SWOT analysis will effectively help the project manager in reducing the strengths and weaknesses of the project. The last one is teamwork is required in order to do SWOT analysis for efficiency and fluidity. That's all from me. Thank you.